So there I was, having a little argument with my wife, and out of nowhere she decides to push me out of the way. Now, I'm not one to back down easily, so I grab hold of her. But instead of getting all serious, I couldn't help but burst into laughter. I mean, seriously? Did she really think she could outpower me? Well, after a while, she finally gives up and promises not to try anything. Phew, crisis averted, right? Wrong. Because then she looks at me with this creepy, angry, evil voice and says, "I'm sure you'll fall asleep sooner or later." And let me tell you, that scared the living daylights out of me. You see, I have this little problem. I get so sleepy by 9 p.m. that by midnight I'm practically struggling to keep my eyes open. So I can't take any chances of falling asleep. I mean, who knows what could happen? And here's the crazy part. I don't even remember what happened next. All I know is that I wake up and there she is, sitting right next to me, holding a hammer. I look at her and she's just smiling at me like it's the most normal thing in the world. And then she says, "I felt sorry for you. You look so vulnerable." I tell you folks, marriage is a wild ride. You never know what surprises await you. But hey, at least it makes for a good story, right?